Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to show you how the Bell robot can go through the maze by using the ultrasonic sensor. So basically there are two ways Bell can go through the maze, okay? So it has an obstacle sensor and it has ultrasonic sensor, so you could use any of them. So in this tutorial we're just going to show you how to use the ultrasonic sensor, and if a distance appears in front of you, you just go behind and change the direction. Alright, so your maze could be different. My maze is a little different than your ones, okay? So just fix your code, okay? Then it should be alright. So without any further ado, let's go to our code. So let's first open up the Adama script. Okay, so I have already created a program to show you how exactly you could use this one. So let's go to the Arduino mode, and then you have to connect your Bell into the COM port. So let me just connect it really quickly for you. So once the Bell is connected, what you're going to see is another COM port. Okay, so just connect it, choose the Bell board, and then your code is ready over here. Okay, so what I did is basically I took an Adama script block. Okay, so I'll just show it again to you. So first of all, take the Adama script block and then go to the control block and take the forever block, because we want to do this over and over again. Then go to the robots block and take the show phase position. Okay, so this one, show phase position, and now inside this what we need is ultrasonic sensor distance. So what this is going to do is this is going to show us the programs. Okay, so for example, you know, whatever distance your ultrasonic sensor sees, it's going to show it in the LED dot matrix. Okay, then you need to choose your motor speed, motor 1, motor 2, and here this is the tricky part. Okay, so the motor speed would be different. Okay, motor speed you have to vary it for according to your mazes. For example, your maze distance is longer, right? So you would want more speed in here, and you know, if the maze is narrower, then you have to, like, you know, go with the limited speed. Okay, then you have to go to the control block and take a if then block. Okay, and inside this one you go to the operator block and you have to check for if it's the distance is less than 10. So how do you do that? So here we can take this block and we come back to the robot block and take the ultrasonic sensor distance. If the distance is less than 10 or 5 depending on your block, you could just do that. Now here just duplicate this and put it inside here. Okay, and instead of the if block, we're just gonna get rid of this, and here we need to set the speed to 40. Okay, so for my maze the 40 worked quite fine. Okay, so for your one it could be different. So and then whenever ultrasonic sensor distance is less than 10, what we do is we need to go back a little bit. Okay, so we will go behind a little bit and we will go there for only 1 second. Okay, so basically the control will be here for 1 second, and then what we will do is we will copy this thing and put it after this again. So once you go behind a little bit, then you go forward again. Okay, so how much value do we need? So for my version I used 20 and I used 0. Okay, so basically what it's going to do is my maze is opening up on the right side, right? So that's what I did. So I made the robot turn on the right only. Okay, there's no left here. So you could program with a more complex program, okay, and make this happen. Alright, so everything is fine for our program, so I'll just zoom it a little bit in and you can see this is how it's going to work. Okay, so please check the code and change these values accordingly according to your maze. Okay, so you have to use your brain, you have to understand how exactly it is working. Okay, so make sure to check that. Okay, and now check the video out. Thank you so much for watching.